Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files during a Zoom meeting. Whether you're sharing important documents with your team, sending presentation materials to participants, or distributing resources during a training session, knowing how to efficiently transfer files can make your meetings far more productive and collaborative. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Zoom homepage where you can start or join meetings. Next, join a meeting that's already in progress or start your own. This could be a scheduled meeting you've set up in advance or a quick instant meeting. Once you're in the meeting room, you'll see the main video interface with all participants visible. Now, look at the bottom toolbar of your screen. Here you'll find various meeting controls including video, audio, and sharing options. Locate and click on the chat button. This opens up Zoom's messaging feature, which is essential for file sharing during live meetings. Once you click chat, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where all your meeting communications happen. At the top of this chat panel, you'll see options for who you want to send messages or files to. If you want to send your file to all meeting participants, click on Everyone from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if you need to send a file to just one specific participant, you can click New Chat to start a private conversation with that person. For this example, let's say we want to share with everyone. Make sure you're on the Everyone tab so your file will be visible to all participants in the meeting. This is particularly useful when sharing agendas, reports, or any materials that the entire group needs to review. At the bottom of the chat settings, you'll see a File button. Click on this button, and the drop-down menu will appear showing you different file options. This feature allows you to browse through your computer's folders to locate the exact file you want to share. Select your preferred option from the drop-down menu, which will open your computer's file explorer. Navigate through your folders and select the file you want to transfer. Once you've found it, click Open. The file will now be attached to your chat message, ready to be sent. Finally, you'll see an Enter to Send button at the bottom right of the chat panel. Click this button to instantly share your file with everyone in the meeting. All participants will receive a notification and can download the file directly from the chat, and that's it. You've successfully transferred a file during your Zoom meeting, making collaboration seamless and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.